everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. I just wanted to share with you a couple of items in this video if you have not seen it. This is the miniature version of the wall hanging. Next we have a butterfly that was 3D printed. After painting it, I did add something to it, so if you want to see how it was done, just check out the complete video. So sometimes when I'm working, I get a visitor or two. I was really into it right now and I didn't want to stop. He was just a little curious and wanted to see what I was doing. So right now I'm just cutting off a little bit of the flowers that came with the pack. I'm using a glue. I switch off the glues just depending on how I feel that they're sticking. This one came with one of the other kits. It's used for gluing beads and some of the wiring. These are some of the miniatures I have created, and there are a few missing. There are a lot of little items in this space, but it came out really cute. What do you think? Please leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check back. Bye.